All right, now I'm going to be diving into audiences report. So we're going to screenshot this right here to give a visual overview. Mm, okay, and then you're going to want to, I already exported this, so you can kind of put the data in here. Just share this. And I also am curious about this, but you could basically say most searchers are in market for accounting software. Most searchers are in market for accounting software as well. That makes sense. Yeah, so some of these are custom audiences, which are kind of tough. I don't love, but I would say these are truly people that are in market. They're business professionals or they're in market for accounting software. So those are the essay analysis. It's good. So that's how you do audiences. You can pull insights on like what audiences are performing better and do possibly do even bid modifications on something like this. So now that we see, so if you go to the analysis tab here, we could also do like a bid adjustment. So if you go to the add account maintenance checklist, audience add group bidding, click on that. And you can see the campaign, the audience ad group, and all that other metrics. All you need to do is add this level and bid adjustment. Not on this one. This will be on this one. So this is sorted by cost, ad group level bid adjustment. You can just do bid adjustments based off of this. So this is the first one out of all of these. It's the first like audience or device you can really bid on and do bid adjustments. But you just copy and put that down. And it's very helpful if you do conditional formatting based on a color scale so you can visually see it as well. Mm, Cost, yes. And then click-through rate. Mm. It'd also be very helpful for you to have conversions. So let's do that as well. Conversions, all conversions, cost impressions. I just know none of these have conversions as of now. So we can do bid adjustments on these simply by going in. So since this is just like the cost, we don't necessarily have a TCPA. Anything that's kind of like spending a lot so far, we might want to just do anywhere between a 0 to 30% bid adjustment. So I would just say minus 15, minus 10, minus 10, minus 5. So that would be the bid adjustment basically. And then you just copy these and paste down, copy. Then you go to Google Ads Editor and you'd want to open up the account you're going to work in, open, and get changes. Click done. And now you want to go to targeting and you can go to audiences here. And you can make multiple changes. So you can see how it has the audience, campaign, ad group status, and bid adjustment. So now you can do a bid adjustment for these audiences. So make multiple changes, paste from clipboard, and then I'll just drag this over so you can see the pasted, and it has the campaign, the audience, the ad group, and the metrics it doesn't import. Oops, actually, bid adjustment, bid modifier. I guess it's a different name. We have the bid modifier. Then you can just process, finish and review changes. Let's see. Where are these actual changes? And you can see we did a negative 10% for accounting software here. And we did another bid adjustment here, negative 15%. And you can keep those changes and just basically post them. Make those live, all campaigns, and post. And just close that. And that's basically how you make bid adjustments. And that process is pretty similar for all of them. Because it's spent so much so far and not really gotten us results. So we just bid it down. So that's the analysis right there. Actually, you might want to remove this and use this one. This is probably more helpful. And just put that in the analysis. Okay, apply. And that's pretty much it.